Tulikuja tukazidua sirikina gani. We took it keenly because wakati SHA ilikuwa inaanza sisi
one of the most important pillar of universal health coverage and its success, it's human health, human resource. Wafanyakazi wetu, wahudumu wa afya. Na ndio nilipokuwa waziri, maneno ya strike katika afya house nimemaliza, internship, kila kitu. Na mimi pia nauliza county governments, the way mheshimiwa gavana amesema over 700 healthcare workers will be transited to permanent and pensionable. We want to also urge all our governors to make sure that healthcare workers are given priority.
My administration has already trained 2 radiologists and 10 radiographers on its operations, ensuring this machine will serve the community 24/7. We are transforming Bungoma County Teaching and Referral Hospital into a center of excellence, a place where no patient will be forced to share a bed and where every life is treated with dignity and urgency. This is not just development, this is justice.